magical fingers. Hit the subscribe button for amazing videos. Hello everyone, today we are learning the names of 20 birds. Let's begin. Hen, Hen, hen. Peacock, Peacock, peacock. Eagle, Eagle, eagle. Owl, owl. Duck, duck. Vulture, vulture. Macaw, macaw. Crow, crow. Quail, quail. Pigeon, pigeon. Swan, swan. Woodpecker, woodpecker. Robin, robin. Ostrich, ostrich. Sandpiper, sandpiper. Finch, finch. Swallow, swallow. Hummingbird, hummingBird. This is cockatoo, cockatoo. Dove, dove. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Bye.